What if I told you that the secret to a perfectly happy marriage is not compromise? It is not about changing yourself, and it is definitely not about learning how to make perfectly round rotis. In fact, you need to lose all things to be the non traditional wife. Let's be real, the phrase a woman completes a home does not sound good to me. It makes my skin crawl. I am not a missing piece of furniture. I am the entire architecture. When I got married, a lot of people wanted me to tone it down, become someone I'm not, to step into my quiet domestic era. And uska yahi matlab hai ki I will not remain who I am. But I chose to keep my main character energy intact. And honestly, my husband loves it too. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruchita, and if you're new here, you need to subscribe right now because what I'm letting you know is top secret. Here's the twist that modern society will not tell you. Men do not fall in love with a shadow. They tend to fall in love with a woman who takes up space, who is entirely herself. So let's talk about the rules of being happily, elegantly non-traditional. See, feminism in marriage is not about who is going to do the dishes or who's going to cook. It's about protecting your individuality. Marriage is a partnership. It's not an erasure. In the movie of my life, I am the main character. My husband is a brilliant co-star with a world of his own. We don't share a single identity. So when his world and my empire come together, it is kind of a blockbuster. It's not a documentary and it's not about compromising. मुझे बिल्कुल शौक नहीं है to prove that I'm the most tired person in the room. Traditional conditioning के हिसाब से isn't it generally taught to us that the more sacrifice we do, the more valuable we are. If I'm tired, I will be ordering food from outside, okay? If I need a spa day, I will book it. I do not need to ask for permission to do things for myself. I have to take care of myself on my own because if the main character is tired, then what's the plot? Where is the plot? And you know what? When I respect my boundaries, my husband respects them too. He loves that he does not have to walk on eggshells around me or around a resentful partner. Maintain separate worlds. Repeat after me. Maintain separate worlds. I still go on trips. I still go out to see my bestie where marriage talk is strictly forbidden, and I still fiercely protect my professional passions. Traditionally, wifehood expects you to be available 24/7, but keeping that little bit of mystery, things that are just yours, keeps the spark alive. When I come home from a project or a solo day, I have so much more to bring to the table. And my husband loves it that I have a really good life of my own and he enjoys it so much more. He loves to see me thrive independently as well. So, to all my married girlies and women who are planning to take the plunge, do not shrink yourself to fit into a box that was never meant for you to be bigger than it. Step into your power. Learn how to be big, bold, fun, playful, and just fiercely yourself. Romanticize your life because ultimately you are the prize. This is good. Let me know in the comments if there is a traditional rule that you broke to become who you are today. Let's chat about it. Like, subscribe, and go be the main character of your freaking life. And I'll see you next time.